Enemy advance. You're on the defensive. The enemy is moving, and if nothing changes, they will decide how this fight unfolds. Offensive isn't about the reckless attack. It's about seizing control of the tempo of battle. When you only react, the enemy chooses when and where to apply pressure. Even a strong defense can be worn down if it never disrupts the attack. Or worse, they will apply the other principles of war to win the day. The objective is not to hold this line. It's to seize the initiative and force the enemy to abandon their attack. What would you do to achieve the objective at this battlefield? Instead of defending everywhere, you concentrate on one point. A local counterattack forces the enemy to react. You don't need to attack everywhere, you just need to attack where it breaks the enemy's plan. The enemy's advance stalls, their attack plan begins to fracture. Initiative has changed hands. Now the enemy must respond to your movement instead of pursuing their own. Once momentum is gone, reforming lines and organizing chaos will be impossible as you keep the pressure. Offensive means shaping the fight instead of waiting for it. Even small attacks can shift the momentum of an entire battle. History is full of battles decided by sudden counterattacks. At Cowpens during the American Revolution, General Morgan, whose army had been on a defensive run, let the British believe they had the momentum. Then he counterattacked at the moment of commitment and destroyed the force outright. Offensive action didn't start the battle, but it decided it. Next, we will look at Principle of War, Mass, and why concentration, not bravery, breaks armies. This has been Keith's Orders of Battle, Principles of War.